started Trainual because everyone, whatever business you're trying to build is honestly like climbing a mountain. It's a struggle. It's like every day you're just trying to take one step up, one step further, push yourself to clear at the top. And when you're at the top, then you feel this sense of relief, like I did it. Now, writing down everything that you do, having a system for your business is like the equivalent of paving the way up the mountain as you go, so that if you slide down, if you make a wrong step, it's easier to get up the next time. Too many people are just struggling every day, trying to rebuild the same thing that they did the last day. That's why we built this. Now our ride's here. We gotta go. Yeah, our ride's here.
You now have the ability to kind of see where everyone is at, maybe see where people are falling behind or could use additional help, all within one spot.
Here's the process. You can pull it up on your phone. Here's a video. Oh, well, there you go.
It's such an easy thing to use that I didn't even realize I was training as I'm also learning it for my job.
And you need to start dialing in your systems and processes if you want to scale.